Today's video is on the top 3 best drip irrigation kits. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Generic Drip Irrigation Kit. Tired of dragging hoses around your garden? Here's a better way to water your plants. Easily, efficiently, and without wasting a drop. This all-in-one drip irrigation kit comes with everything you need to set up a complete system right in your backyard. Inside the box, you'll find a total of 233 feet of tubing, 33 feet of half-inch tubing, and 200 feet of quarter-inch tubing. It also includes a variety of connectors like a half-inch locked coupling, locked T-joint, locked end plug, 2 locked elbows, and even a water tap adapter that fits both US and European standards. You also get 5 sturdy half-inch stakes, 4 6-way connectors, 40 micro stake drippers, 40 fountain drippers, and plenty more pieces like T-joints, end plugs, and elbow joints to help you build the perfect watering system. This kit is designed to cover an area of up to 130 square feet, making it ideal for small gardens, flower beds, raised planters, and greenhouses. One of its standout features is the multi-way connector, which solves the common problem of weak water flow at the end of the line. It allows you to split the main tubing into multiple tributaries, ensuring every plant gets the right amount of water. No dry patches, no wasted effort. Now, let's talk about water flow. You'll get 2 types of sprayers in this kit, the fountain dripper and the 8-hole dripper. The fountain style sprays water in a full 360 degrees, while the 8-hole dripper sends out 8 straight streams. Both types can be adjusted from a slow drip up to 120 liters per hour. That's about 30 gallons per hour if you need a stronger flow. And here's something that'll make eco-conscious gardeners smile. This system can save up to 70% of water compared to traditional watering methods. Why? Because it delivers water directly to the base of your plants where it's needed most. No more runoff, no more overspray. The tubing itself is tough, UV resistant, and made from high-quality PVC. It's built to last all year, even through intense sun or freezing winters. The included stakes hold everything securely in place, and the drippers can be taken apart for easy cleaning. No more worries about clogging. Even if you've never touched a plumbing tool in your life, this kit is super easy to install. There's no digging required, and the included guide with pictures walks you through everything. Thanks to the locked connection design, the system handles high water pressure without parts popping loose or breaking down over time. Click subscribe like you're connecting that last hose and feeling like a garden genius. Number 2, best overall. MIXC, Quick Connect Drip Irrigation System Kit. Are you tired of manually watering your garden or worrying about uneven water distribution? The MIXC Drip Irrigation Kit might just be the game changer you need. It comes with everything you'll need to set up an efficient, automated watering system, so you can spend more time enjoying your garden and less time maintaining it. This kit includes a wide variety of components to meet all your garden watering needs. You'll find a generous 197 feet of 1/4 inch irrigation tube, a 33-foot 1/2 inch irrigation tube, lock barb T connectors, drip emitter streams, vortex emitters, blue mist nozzles, and quick connection tees. Plus, there's a faucet connector to get you started right away. With this comprehensive selection, you'll have all the parts needed to build a customized irrigation system that suits your garden's layout perfectly. One of the standout features of this irrigation system is its innovative quick connector technology. The plug-and-play design makes it incredibly easy to set up. You don't need to be a professional to install it. Simply connect the tubes and you're ready to go in just 10 minutes. The secure fit ensures there are no leaks, saving you time and effort. Imagine getting your entire irrigation system up and running so quickly and efficiently. Setting up the water distribution is straightforward. Begin by establishing a 3/4 connection from your water source to the area you want to water. The The 1/2 inch irrigation tubing serves as the main line, while the 1/4 inch drip irrigation tubing branches off to deliver water directly to your plants. The system can support up to 32 drip emitters, so you'll be able to cover a wide area and ensure every plant gets the water it needs. This kit doesn't just offer one type of watering method, it offers 3. You'll find drip emitters that can adjust to different irrigation modes, including micro droplets, sprays, and traditional watering. This makes it easy to cater to different plants' watering needs. Whether you're watering delicate flowers or thirsty vegetables, the system gives you precise control over the water flow. What's even better is the versatility of this system. It's designed for all sorts of outdoor spaces, from lawns and patios to vegetable beds, flower beds, and even greenhouses. The MIXC Drip Irrigation Kit is a must-have for anyone looking to make garden care easier and more efficient. It provides precise, customizable watering to ensure your plants get exactly what they need when they need it. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days. Free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Abakuku Drip Irrigation System. Looking to save water while keeping your garden healthy? This drip irrigation system is the solution. It's designed to deliver every drop of water directly to the roots of your plants, making sure none goes to waste. This is especially beneficial for dry areas or gardens where water conservation is a top priority. Whether you're in an arid region or just want to be more eco-friendly, this system ensures efficient irrigation. Installing the system is a breeze. It comes with everything you need, and there's no need for professional tools. You can easily set it up yourself. Plus, the best part, the drip irrigation tubes can be adjusted to fit your garden's layout. So whether you're watering flowers, veggies, or fruit trees, you can position the tubes to suit your specific plant's needs, ensuring they all get the right amount of water. No matter the size of your garden, this system has you covered. Whether you're taking care of a cozy backyard garden or managing a larger plantation, it provides even moisture distribution. The flexibility of this system means you can easily cater to different types of plants. Vegetables, flowers, fruit trees all thrive under the consistent, gentle watering this system provides. You'll be amazed at how much healthier your plants will look with the right amount of water. Durability is key, and this system doesn't disappoint. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. It's resistant to both UV rays and corrosion, so you can trust it to perform in all kinds of weather conditions. This not only means fewer replacements, but also less time and money spent on maintenance. The robust design ensures that your system keeps going year after year, saving you effort in the long run. But that's not all. It's an intelligent irrigation solution. When paired with a timer, the system becomes fully automated. Forget about manually turning it on and off. You can set it and forget it, saving you time and energy. And if your garden grows or you need to adjust, this system has room to expand. You can add more drip heads or extend the pipes as needed, giving you the flexibility to adjust as your plants and garden evolve. This drip irrigation system is the perfect balance of convenience, efficiency, and adaptability. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to make their gardening easier while conserving water. Why not give your garden the care it deserves with the ultimate irrigation solution? Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.